Greetings. I want to say big up to everybody who is part of this drive. This is Toys and Tingz. I'm Megachin from Team Reggae in the Park, Delaware, and we're here doing the toys drive for Jamaica. I want to thank everybody for donating toys, donating money, in whatever way you can. Thank you guys so much for what you contributed. It's for the children of Jamaica. We're here with JAHJAH Foundation, getting the toys ready to send them to Jamaica for. We have one truck going to Lamar, and we have another truck going to Black River.
Yeah.
So again, thank you guys. If you want to donate, you can donate to JAHJAH Foundation. Continue to donate because we still need zinc, we still need wood. There's a lot of other materials that is needed to help the people in Jamaica. Again, thank you guys so much for the contribution. Continue to donate to Jamaica because Jamaica have done so much for the world, and it's only right for us to give back. I want to thank Team Reggae in the Park, Delaware, for coming together and putting this drive together for JAHJAH Foundation. I want to big up my sister Su Ying, Stephanie, Nicole, Tony, Cisco, and gotta big up Radio Shack. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for the energy, the input, the positive vibes. And it's a lot of work. We're here in Jersey right now, getting ready to send the two trucks, one to Black River, one to Salvamar. So again, thank you all so the kids can have some toys for Christmas. Team Reggae in the Park, 2026 is going to be even bigger next year.
So you drove up from Delaware
Yes.
earlier today, from Delaware to Perth Amboy, New Jersey, where the containers are located. Tell us
Yes.
about the drive up.
The drive, one thing with me, I don't mind driving. The drive is a simple drive, hour and a half drive. But again, it's for the cause, it's for a purpose, it's needed. And like I said, anybody that can dedicate and donate their time, their energy, whether they're donating toys, money, again, every contribution is vital right now for Jamaica. Everybody needs to put in an input in some kind of way because there's people down there that don't have clean water to drink right now. So we have to be there. No matter what, I don't care what country you're from, what island you're from, I think it's only right that we all come together as island people, as people, and do what's right for Jamaica. And I want to thank everybody for their contributions. JAHJAH Foundation, don't forget if you want to donate to JAHJAH Foundation. You can hit up the website and you can make your donation at JAHJAH Foundation.
All right, thank you.